Hey Justin, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I got a real treat for you today. I'm showing you a 2022 Audi A3 that we just took off loaner. It has 5,000 miles. It's a gem. Stay tuned. Hey Justin, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I got a real treat for you today. I'm showing you our dealer demo 2022 Audi A3 with 5,000 miles. Now this is white black, it's a premium plus. You're gonna notice it's got that new LED upgraded light. I love the model this year. You get the big chrome grille, the chrome rings, you get all the safety features in the bumper. Follow me along this way. You're gonna notice new style wheels on the 22. You get new body lines. I love what they did on the body lines. Technology runs right through the car. You'll notice keyless entry on both doors. I love what they did. That's a new updated feature right there. You'll notice safety features on the back bumper. Really, really cool. They are there. Updated tail lights, just like the front lights. You get an updated backup camera. And I just want to point out, this is a dealer demo at 5,000 miles. So right now, you're going to notice all the weather mats, summer mats are still in the car. We try to take care of our cars and keep the dealer demos put together as if they were still new. So this one's still gonna come with all the equipment. Follow me this way, Justin. I want to show you the back. Everything got updated this year. The seats, the door panels. This one actually has upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system. You're going to notice the weather mats are in here. You get USB Type-C, and you get climate control for your rear passengers. That's a new upgraded black leather with rock gray stitching. I just want to point that feature out. Now follow me to the front, Justin, where you're going to do most of the day-to-day driving. I just want to highlight some of the features in the 22 Audi A3. Hey Justin, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, sitting in the 2022 Audi A3 that happens to be our dealer demo. This one has 5,000 miles. I just want to point out it is very, very new. You get updated automatic lighting, power memory seats, automatic windows, blind spot monitoring, with heated folded mirrors. I love that feature right there. You get an automatic trunk feature. You're going to notice the steering wheel all leather. You get the virtual upgrade through the navigation behind the wheel. Everything's futuristic. You get a full touchscreen just like Audi has to offer, with Apple and Android Auto wirelessly through the car. Really cool. I love the dual climate control. It's kind of fit like a race car. Really simple, really easy to use. Heated seats. You get a wireless phone charger down here. Really cool. A lot of safety features. You're going to notice parking sensors, and this thing actually has all the safety. I want to point out the backup camera was updated, which is really cool. Got a nice little washer on there. If you're cleaning your windows, it's going to clean your camera as well. Now this is all upgraded. This happens to be all touch. Shorthand. Really cool, real simple to easy to use. You notice the shifter was updated. And I just want to point out how to use it. It's really, really simple. Reverse, neutral drive, park. LED lit up cup holders down here. If you make your way over here, you're going to notice that new black leather with the rock gray stitching. Now, one of my favorite features is LED runs through the doors and all the panels down here, so at night it looks like you're driving a spaceship. Now, one of my must-haves in the car is Bang & Olufsen. You get a nice Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound. It's a lot better than the Bose system. It's one of my must-haves when buying an Audi. Now, this is all new. I want to say it looks just like the Audi e-tron. They really, really tried to clean it up in here. All the vents look like Lamborghini now. Audi really got a nice update with the new technology, and they put it all into the A3. Now, one of the things I want to point out is they finally upgraded their key. You do get two of these keys. They do look like they activate a spaceship. It's really cool. I want to say it came on my first year. I love how they finally updated the key. Now, making your way up here, you're going to notice motion touch LED lights. Really cool, really futuristic. And one of my favorite features, you get a full panel roof with a manual shade. You can actually open your sunroof and close your shade for fresh air. Hey Justin, this is Ryan over at Audi VW Fall River. I just want to take a minute and thank you for watching the video on the 2022 Audi A3. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions on the car, give me a call on my personal number, 401-529-9919. Thanks, Justin.